up, world? Welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go with a moniker, aka Mix Master Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartender. This week we got another special edition. Listen, it's hot. Like, man, it is so hot outside. I swear I just need a breeze. Today we're gonna teach you how to make a Malibu Bay Breeze. Now we got our cocktail out the way. Let's go with the ingredients that it takes to make a Malibu Bay Breeze. We have Malibu rum, cranberry juice, and pineapple juice. We got our ingredients out the way. Let's make this bad boy. Now this recipe calls for an ounce of Malibu rum. And we're gonna go half and half pineapple juice. And we're gonna fill it up with cranberry juice. And from here, we're gonna go. We're gonna use a pineapple wedge for our garnish. And that's, my friends, how you make the perfect Malibu Bay Breeze. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Till next week, stay true, my friends.